What's up, guys? It is Morgan, and today, you can tell, we're here with yet another cleaning video. Will these end? Maybe not. Fortunately for me and my messy habits, you guys seem to love these videos. These get so many views every single time I post them. So I thought today we'd be back with another one. Today's video is actually in partnership with Express. I picked up a few new things from their fall collection, summer collection, I don't know, just some great things. You guys know I love Express, especially for some like professional-ish items. So we're gonna be looking at that in a moment. Rather than do just another haul on this channel, I thought we'd be a little more productive and we would show the process of me cleaning and organizing and implementing my new rule I've talked about in these other videos, where for every item I bring in, I have to donate one item of my clothes. So we're gonna equate that, hopefully get rid of a little bit more, and just some quick goals for the video. I'm gonna show you my room. She's not as messy as normal, I'll say, and the things you're seeing that are like messy and on the ground, like this, are all like categorized weirdly. Things that I bought I need to return, things that have come out of a suitcase, things I need to like pack, laundry I need to do. Goals for today's video: find that equilibrium in items in to items out. Goal 2, we're working on organization. That's really the biggest thing. I don't have as many things I need to purge this time, though I am gonna be trying on a lot of clothes and whatnot. Mainly I'm just trying to like get things in tip-top shape, because I'm about to head out of town again for 2.5 weeks, and we're gonna leave this place in good condition. Mark my words, I'm falling. We have this pile. We had cleared a view basically because I had to take some Instagram stories. I think these are a lot of things I was thinking about packing for my upcoming trip. Laundry that needs to be done. Clothes I was trying on before an event a couple days ago that I didn't wear. Random clutter. Other miscellaneous things I moved out of the range of view. Not bad over there. We got a snack I was eating. A few pairs of shoes I've been wearing lately. Nothing bad. And then over here, this is the worst part. Why do I just put things on the floor? Actually, I put things on my bed and then I leave and then I come back at night and then that's how they get pushed on the floor. This is donations that can be found kind of here. Items I need to try on because I think I may want to donate them, so I've been collecting over here. And third, things I ordered for my Italy and France trip I just got back from that I need to return. So things are categorized, people. So that's the bedroom. Next section, the hallway. It's my Express stuff I need to go through. I've just been keeping it in one spot. These are some other donations that are like beauty whatever products. Hallway update over here. This is all Adrian's. This has been organized to a much greater degree than in my last video. Next up, the bathroom just needs some minor cleaning, but like she's pretty good also. Like not anything crazy going on. And lastly, our final task, the old closet slash office. This isn't doing great, but really it's just like makeup and stuff because I've been getting ready in here. And yeah, closet side's looking pretty fresh. I mean, we will be going through getting rid of some of these things based on how much I'm keeping from Express. So also while I'm going through everything in the other room, I'm gonna try to go ahead and start packing. I go to London and Croatia on Friday. I'm gonna try to be efficient and where I can, rather than hang things up. If I'm gonna wanna pack them, I'm just gonna go ahead and pack them. This is doable. I'm thinking we could do this in like an hour. I'm the most unrealistic optimist when it comes to stuff like this. Alrighty, progress is being made as we see. Put a bunch of things up here that I need to try on to decide if I'm packing or if they're like things I need to see if I'm getting rid of. The first 1-for-1 swap. Quite easy here. Out with the old, in with the new. These have been some of my favorite shoes for, I mean, a year now. Obviously, white shoes aren't gonna last forever. Before this new trip, I thought I'd get another pair. Sink area getting clean. Need to wash this rug, but that's a task for another day. All right, so these are all returns of things that I got for my last trip that I didn't take. So none of this is getting factored into my 1-in, 1-out program. It's good because I'm actually returning stuff and I am so bad about actually getting around to return. So I need to find little slips for these. We're gonna do some returns. All right, so before we even deep dive into me trying on like stuff that's currently hanging, I've got 2 full bags of donations so far, in addition to, I'll show you guys what's in my cart currently. And here we got 13 items. So before this, it's kind of hard to see, but I already have like some giant bags full of stuff. But we're not counting that. I'm not gonna count up the items because that was dirty before this. So those are going in here. I additionally have 2 bags of just like products that I need to donate. right, it's the next day, but we're picking things up. I actually cleaned this place up quite quickly, so I'm gonna show you. Here's where we're at. She looks so clean and this took no time. We also even just got our air filter things changed, so it's like a new like biome in here right now. They were so dirty and like full of dust that like there was no airflow happening. I have some things I need to go through here, and then this is holding like clothes that I need to pack. We're now gonna see the new things I got from Express, tally that up, and then we're gonna begin yeah, going through some stuff. I also just got back from a trip to Europe. I'm coming off a mindset of just being like tired of lugging around so much stuff, which is great because it just has me in the mindset of like not feeling attached to anything. Like I can just let stuff go. Let's go ahead and try on. I'm gonna have everything of the following links below. Let's do it. Here's the spread. Quick run through. I've got 2 pairs of jeans, a pair of cool camo pants, got this cute little bag, 2 dresses, 3 like dressy tops, 1 crop top, cute little graphic tee. I love this. This is the perfect like airplane shirt, I feel. A skirt, and then you guys know I'm a big blazer gal. This actually matches perfectly, so maybe we'll display it over there. I have high hopes. All right, first up, such a fan of these jeans. Have this super fun stripe running up the side, kind of like a mid-rise pair. Most of my high-waisted jeans come up more to like here, but I like it, especially with like, this is one of the tanks. I basically, you guys know me, I get the same thing in like 15 colors, so I got this exact tank and 3 styles. Definitely an item that might not travel super well because I can tell it's gonna wrinkle, but these are a super nice material top, and I think it just looks really cute and like flowy, effortless, summery tucked into these jeans. And how the white stripe cuts on the sides, I just think is super flattering. But I'm also a big fan of Express denim because they have everything in short sizes as well. So for 5'2" me, you guys know the deal. Express is great for not only their jeans, but like their dress pants and pretty much everything they have in short, regular, and long sizes. And they also have been doing a really good job of expanding their size range, as well as in photos on the website of most items. You can like click between different size models to try it on, which I just think is awesome. So I have to shout it out because I always love just strides being made in that area. So here's outfit 1. We have talked enough about it. We're gonna do a little switch. All right, next pair of jeans. These are a capri cut, which I truthfully don't know how I feel about because I feel like they make me look shorter. They're just this like medium wash ripped pair. I feel as though I don't like this on me, just because I feel like it's so close on like my leg length to being like an ankle cut. Like give this like 2 more inches or even like 1 more inch and it's like the length of a lot of jeans I wear. So I just feel like it's kind of in this like intermediate zone. I think these are gonna be a not keep. The tank I am wearing, I also got an ivory and this black color. I'm gonna keep those as well. What I will say about both of these that I love is that the denim has some stretch to it. So it's not like jegging-y, which I hate when you can like see through them, or like they're just like too clingy. Like these have structure and they like hold you in. However, these are not like a rough, harsh denim material. Next up, we're gonna try these. I'm nervous. Big fan of this. It's not a bodysuit, but it gives me like a bodysuit feel. It's a like kind of cropped length, little like cottony tank. Has these fun little buckle details that are just for decoration. They're not actually adjustable. Tucked into the camo pant. I'm still undecided. I wanna love the look, but I feel as though, I feel like we don't need all this extra bagginess. Can't decide how I feel about these, but they are short girl friendly for the most part. I rolled them a couple times and the way they're cut at the bottom makes that easy to do, so that's clutch. These are super comfy. They're not like too heavyweight. Again, they're like a nice movable fabric. And then they're just these little zip pockets, which I like. This is actually my favorite pair of camo pants that I've had. I think I'm probably gonna hold on to them just so I have 1 good pair. And one day when I'm feeling really feisty and encouraged, maybe we will sport these. All right, next, I just got this like dark denim skirt. It's like a longer one. It's not like a mini skirt. Really big fan of the fabric of this as well. It's not like a rigid material. It's like fitted, but it's still really thick. It's just got like that flexible feel. I'll probably style this similarly as well, or even with like a white t-shirt like tied up or something like that. Next, I just picked up something that's a little out there for me, but that I would wear to like an event or something. And it's just this like midi dress. It's a very thick material, so I feel very intact. I could have potentially sized down because the fabric's kind of like gathering in places when I walk, but I am not one for like a bodycon type thing, but I feel very intact in this, especially if I size down and we like snatch this waist in a little more. Okay, I would not style these together. However, just to give you the blazer look, I have this exact blazer cut. I believe it's like the boyfriend blazer. I have this in so many colors, and I thought this would be a fun little addition, especially over like an all white outfit or something. Typically, I wear these with like high-waisted jeans, and they just make you look like so tall, given like the blazer cut. I need to answer the door. Big fan. Next up, I just got a little cozy graphic tee that's like small and fitted, a little light pink color. It says offline. Definitely keeping this. I think this will be a super cute like plain, like airplane shirt. All right, last item acquired. I got this sweatshirt dress type thing. This feels like it could be like pajamas, but it's a dress and it looks cute. It has long sleeves, but I would just bunch them up. But the wrist is this like gathered sweatshirty type vibe. I actually think this looks really cute with Air Force Ones for like a casual like out and about look. So in total, 11 new items. I've already gotten rid of 13 plus everything else in my cart, but we are now going to get rid of 11 more. First up, I want to hang this here. So we're just gonna do a swap-a-roo. I feel like this is the number that we're getting rid of. I haven't worn this little off the shoulder top and I couldn't tell you how long. Probably not gonna wear it again. She's out. This needs to go. Literally, this is the wrinkliest thing I've ever owned in my life. Never gonna work, never gonna wear it. I'm apparently a fraud because I thought this would be easy and this isn't easy as always. I'm popping down here though to a small neutral area. This all just doesn't need to exist. Let me tell you the last time I wore these. Years ago. Bye. These would only come in handy at Coachella, and they have never come in handy at my 2 Coachellas. But I feel like next year could be the time, so I'm gonna hold them. This is my problem. Since I just got a fresher pair of camo pants that fit better, those are out. We are at 1, 2, 3, 4. Someone's gonna have a problem with me putting shoes on my bed, so I'm gonna move them here. Adrian, what can I get rid of?
In your closet?
Yeah.
Everything.
No.
I've never seen you wear like any of these shirts. I've never seen you wear those dresses over there. I've never seen you wear that white one. I've never seen you wear that flowery one.
Because the opportunity hadn't arisen.
You have so many dresses. I can't even believe you're gonna shop for more. Okay, see, that's like really cute. That's super Croatia-y. It is.
You think?
Yeah.
But there are things that like I don't wear that I just need to get rid of. Like this.
Pull something up and I'll tell
Name
you.
a time I've
You're
worn
not gonna wear that ever.
This
That was
is
a very Grease.
This is Grease, and I didn't wear it in Grease. I've learned over time these whole shifty things just do nothing for me.
Yeah,
like I
they
need like a
really
waist
aren't flattering.
cinch going on. She's out.
Don't get rid of the white one then.
No, I'm not because you want it.
No,
Every time I go through and like donate clothes, Adrian like looks at them first and
And
takes
I-
like half.
I wear them so much too.
Now help me do a flash get rid.
A flash get rid. Okay.
Yeah,
Hold
right.
it up and I'll say it.
Panic. This no, absolutely.
You will
no
never
world.
wear that.
I
That's
need this
also your-
prairie girl dress. This
that's
is like
your skin color.
Yeah, I'm this muted gray. That's my skin.
That's dishwater blonde.
This was what I wore in like sophomore year of college. Bye. I wore this one time. I think we had a good run.
I like that.
Stars and stripes forever.
No, you're never gonna wear that.
But like for like a glam white event.
I mean, okay, maybe.
Oh, I'll keep her there. Why am I a hoarder?
What is that? No, get rid of
Dress I
that
wear
now.
in
You're
Greece.
not gonna wear that ever. You're never gonna wear that.
I know. What about this exact
You're
one?
never gonna wear that either.
It's
No.
off the shoulder.
I mean,
No, I'm not.
how long have you had it and never worn it?
A long time.
Yeah, that's what you have to look at. It's really.
Ugh. Okay.
I think that's adorable. I would wear that in a heartbeat with like combat boots.
But it's too long on me. It comes to like my knee.
Yeah, I feel that.
It's a nice little wholesome
And you can't
number. I wore this like a year ago. This was like a good like wedding go-to dress.
Yeah.
Like, am I gonna wear this to another wedding?
No.
But it was such a good dress.
Someone
Will I
else
wear
will
it
give
to like
me-
a nice
no,
dinner?
No.
No?
You have so many other ones. You won't wear that.
Thanks for your help today. Adrian goes, get rid of that right now.
We both had that same dress in Greece. It was so long ago.
She already got rid of hers.
Yeah, I did.
I have a new strategy called shopping my own closet. I'm gonna pretend I don't own any of this and I'm gonna try it all on. We're gonna see what I would currently buy. I don't need this. Looks like I'm wearing a curtain. Wanna like this, but again, just not doing anything. I feel like maybe belted, but I like cool belts is the thing. This one, I like the cut of, which is why I bought it, but it's a very like low dress, which I know I'm not gonna like feel, I'm gonna be pulling it up and whatever. It's patterned super random. I feel like a cow with the spots. So I think I'm just gonna let this one go as well. And Adrian called it what, like dirty, what'd she call this?
It's dishwater blonde.
This, I try to be that, so I think we're gonna cut this one. This is too big, looks like a paper bag, and it's just rather long again. Adrian felt adamantly about me cutting this one, but this is such a good, like, if I need a like formal, especially like back home where like you can't be as bold, like some kind of formalish event, this could be good. This is navy. There's like this little wrap front thing. We actually have structure in this. What do we think? I think we're actually onto something here. Like, it's shift dressy, but like it's not just like straight down, it's like a little fitted, and I think that with like a really cool bag and heels, this could be fun and like some kind of nice event. I'm not gonna wear this. She was right. Cutting this. This I like the fit of, but I feel like it's too prairie girl again. I thought this was a for sure get rid of, but I think I actually like it. See, this is kind of fit that like I need more, or cut that I need more stuff in. Guys, we're already at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wasn't it 13 or 11? Either way, we've broken even. Look at the difference in room. Crazy. That just hit my head. Please just, that thud was me hitting my head on the door. Why do I have 7,000 pairs of shorts when I wear one of them? We're gonna try these on. Then for a final last minute purge, I decided to go through all of my pairs of shorts. I rarely wear any of these, slash most of them don't fit. So we are keeping 6 and getting rid of 4. And then I did the same for my skirts. All right, keeping 4, cutting 2. All right, I think that is it for this video. So in total, between all of these items and what I already had in my car, today 91 gently used or new pieces of clothing got donated to the LA Women's Center.